Hello and welcome to another episode of AWS Cloud Bytes. I'm your host Bhavesh Kumar. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell icon. Let's cover today's top news headlines. The first news is from AWS IQ. AWS IQ now supports attachments. If you need to complete some project faster, it's pretty much like a consulting firm. You go and hire outside. Using AWS IQ, you can hire people who are certified freelancers in AWS in consulting firms that are associated with AWS. So using AWS IQ, you can directly collaborate with AWS certified experts, and you can share any kind of documentation related to your project, solution detail, or any other business documentation that you want to share with the experts. These experts can also attach proposals based on your budget or whatever work you have asked for, and they can also request payments. So it's kind of a platform where you can go and ask for relevant technical service, and these people or these folks will be available on this chat platform to help you out getting your whatever the required result set is. So the addition to this AWS IQ platform is that you can directly share attachments through this platform without leaving the platform or the AWS IQ application. Moving on to the next news, Lambda now supports SASL/plain authentication. The picture above is basically just showing how and what you can do with the Lambda. You can upload code directly to the Lambda as a zip file, or you can use the code editor provided by the Lambda to write the code. And if you're not familiar with Lambda, I would suggest you can go and try to build a Lambda. It's just a function that you can run at ad hoc basis as and when needed, and you are charged for execution. So looking at this AWS Lambda function that is triggered from a self-managed Apache Kafka topic can now access usernames and password by secure mean using AWS Secrets Manager. And then this is using SASL/plain, which is a simple username password authentication mechanism, and is used in TLS for encryption. This is in addition to SASL/Scrum, which is already supported by Lambda. Moving on to the next news. Amazon Connect Chat now supports Apple Business Chat. So looking at the picture above, you can see there is on the left, you have customers, and then the box on the right is Amazon Connect service. And Amazon Connect gives you capability to have agents who can actually talk to your customers over the phone, chat, and other tools to improve your CSAT. Whereas you have managers as another persona which can set up quickly. With the Apple Business Chat integration in Amazon Connect, now your user can use any Apple device such as iPhone, iPad, Mac, and you can get your customers connected using chat application running on those devices. It is also giving rich interactive messaging service such as scheduling appointments, and it also gives ease of use because the business chat can allow your customers to chat at any time using the registered phone number on an Apple device. Moving on to the next news headline. Neptune supports copying DB cluster resource tags to DB snapshots. If you don't know about Neptune, Amazon Neptune is a graph database. And when I say graph database, it actually stores relationships. An example of graph database can be found in LinkedIn, as well as the way Facebook finds your friends and colleagues via LinkedIn. So Neptune database allows you to do the same thing. Now you can use Neptune database resource tags to add metadata, and you can apply policies to your Amazon Neptune resources. You can allow the resource tags on your Neptune cluster to be automatically copied to any automated or manual database snapshots that are created from your cluster. Tags can be used by IAM policies to manage access to Neptune resources and control what action can be applied to those resources. Moving on to the next news headline. AWS announces AWS BugBust. The picture above basically tells you what all steps you can do to create a bug bust event, and basically you can win prizes. If you go to the AWS, if you search for AWS BugBust, you will find there are a lot of games already happening, and people are contributing to that. So it's basically a game for finding bugs and eliminating bugs. It's a kind of a global competition for Java and Python developers to collectively fix 1 million bugs. And this is to eliminate software errors and save millions of dollars using AWS Code Guru. There is a machine learning algorithm which allows you to implement tools like AWS Code Guru Reviewer and the Profiler to automatically scan and weed out some bugs or gamify some fixes. It's a pretty happening service or a platform where people can go and crash some bugs. Moving on to the next news headline. AWS has launched a new digital course which is free, and this is around S3 business continuity and disaster recovery. I have an enrollment link in the video description, so please go ahead and enroll for this course if you want. It's around 50 minutes. It should be a good refresher around the disaster recovery and S3 business continuity.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the content, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for future updates. This is your host Bhavesh Kumar signing off. Thank you.